hair care tips, and hair growth tips. After face hair is the most essential part of body to look good. We're going to explore the secrets to achieving hair growth tips without exposing yourself to harmful chemicals. So let's dive in. Tip 1. Scalp care. Scalp care is super important not just for healthy hair growth, but also for overall comfort and hygiene. Firstly, know your scalp type. If you have greasy scalp and has a lots of dandruff, then you have oily scalp and you need to detox your scalp. Use a scalp scrubber. First thing you can use is a scalp scrubber. It removes excess buildup from your scalp and trust me, your dandruff will gone. Second, use clarifying shampoo. For greasy scalp and use it twice a week. If you don't wash it, then use a dry shampoo. You can use it once in a week. Tip 2. Rosemary water spray. Rosemary water spray is a natural powerhouse for scalp and hair health. Here's how to make it. Boil rosemary leaves into a cup of water for 5 minutes. Let it cool. Strain it into a spray bottle. It promotes your hair growth. You can also store in fridge for 1 month.
Tip 3. Hair oil.
A hair oil treatment is one of the oldest and most nourishing way. Common oils and their uses. Coconut oil is used for deep moisturizing, good for dry, damaged hair. Argan oil is lightweight, adds shine and tames frizz. Castor oil is used for promotes hair growth and thickness in hairs. Here how to do a hair oil treatment. Choose your oil pick based on your hair needs. Apply to a scalp and hair. Used fingertips to massage into the scalp, then we're through to the ends massage. Do a gentle 5 to 20 minutes massage. Leave it in it least for 1 hour. Then simply rinse and shampoo. Use a gentle shampoo to wash it out. You might need to shampoo twice.
Tip 4. Hair mask for silky shiny hairs.
Here's our simple and effective day hair mask for silky shiny hair using natural ingredients you might already have at home. 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon yogurt. Add few drops of coconut oil or vitamin E. Mix them properly, apply and wash after 30 minutes. Rinse with shampoo and condition as usual. Use once a week for best results. Don't use chemical treatments and heat tools. Additionally, protect your hairs from sun. Damage your hair and also change its color. Hair. Next step is to wear protective hairstyle to protect your hair during your sleep. You can do your braid or you can use a silk bonnet to protect your hair. Also sleep on sleep pillowcase and use silk scrunchie. Diet play important role in hair care. If you lost a lot of hair, then your diet is not good. Include more protein in your diet and take hair supplements. Food that are good for hair growth include fish, chicken, oats, nuts, omega. Friends, I hope so these tips will help you to achieve your dreams hairs. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Until next time, bye.